Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT Karnal. Today we are going to learn about levels of software testing. Software testing is an activity that can be performed to identify errors so that errors can be removed to obtain a product with greater quality. To assure and maintain the quality of software and to represent ultimate review of specification, design and coding. Software testing is required in normal all the environments in any IT company. There are different levels of software testing. So let's start with the software testing levels, and the first one is unit testing. So basically unit testing, it is a type of testing where errors are detected individually from every component, or you can say unit. By individually we can test the components or the units of the software, where the developers are the ones who do the testing, which includes all the internal, or you can say the coding part, which the coding guys are testing. So unit testing is basically the process where you can test the smaller functional units, and where the software testing is kind of process which requires the detailed understanding of the internal code structure of the software program. So that is in unit testing. So the tools which normally the coders and the developers use for the unit testing are PHP unit and TestNG. So this is unit testing. Next one is integration testing. So integration testing, also in this testing, the software or two modules which are unit tested are integrated to test. So this type of technique are like interacting the components and are then verified. If these integrated modules work as per the expectation or not, the interface errors are also detected. So integration, as the word itself, it means that integration is going on between the two modules. So the purpose of integration testing is to confirm that the components of an application work together, or we can say to produce the expected result. This it's used to detect the interface defects and integration errors that could affect the application. So this is integration testing. Next one is software system testing. So if we can say what is system testing, in this testing, the complete integrated softwares are tested. It means that all the system elements forming the system are tested as a whole to meet the requirements of the system. So how we can define it? It is a kind of system testing is a software development process that evaluates the functionality of the integrated system to ensure that it meets the required specified requirements. So what is the purpose? Here, system testing verifies that the software system functions are intended and meets the client's specifications. The last is soft like acceptance testing. This is a kind of testing conducted to ensure that requirements of the users are fulfilled or not, and that the software works correctly in the user's and working environment or not. So here it means it also evaluates the software application or the product to ensure it meets the user needs and the business requirements both. What is the purpose? To ensure that the software is functional, reliable and user friendly, if it is working or not. So this is the topic we are covering for today. So this is like these tests are conducted various stages of the software development, and these are the testing which are parallelly working, like unit testing when the coding part is going on, integration testing when the design is going on, system testing when the requirement gathering is the phase of the SDLC model going on, and then acceptance testing when the client demands, like what are the client basic requirements. So this is it for this video. Thank you. Do like and subscribe our video. Thank you.